Have you thought about the difference between a procedure and a process? Big question. That is what I'm going to cover today in today's video. The difference between these two words that I often see confused and used interchangeably, and they're not. A procedure is a series of steps followed in a particular order: ABC, one, two, three, but the order is specific and it doesn't change. And it's a series of steps or a series of actions. You could say a series of tasks. An example that I use every day. I have a procedure where I start up my day. I start up the way I use my computer, and I do it in the same order every day. I open my daily note. This is my procedure. I open my daily note. I make sure I capture my 3 top tasks or goals for the day, and that's the first thing I do. And then I will check the calendar for anything new that came in overnight that I need to be aware of and work into my schedule. And then I check my to-do list or task list for anything other than those top tasks that I'd already set that I need to put on there. Those are the steps. I follow those same steps when I start up my computer every day. That is a procedure that I've locked in. You could call it a checklist. A checklist is another way to think about a procedure. You do this step, this step, this step, and this step. ABC, one, two, three. Well, then, if that's a procedure, what is a process? And before I go much further, I'm going to encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, leave a question in the comment below. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. On this channel, I share strategies, tips, routines, tools to help you stay on track and maximize your 1,440 minutes you have in a day so that you're achieving your goals. So let's go ahead and say now, let's hop into what a process is. A process is something you do to handle an established routine set of procedures. It is a routine set of procedures, but you're following that those procedures in a routine way and they're established. They're not random. They're not you do it one day and you follow it, you don't follow it. It is a set of procedures. So for me to start my day, my process, I just shared one of the procedures I follow as I start up my day. And that was my procedure for getting my computer set up and going in the morning when I start the day. But I have other procedures that I follow in my morning startup. Those additional procedures, plus what I use to start the computer up and get going and get it set up and ready for me to work, form my morning startup process that I use every day. In my home, I have a process for shutting down the home at night. That process has a number of procedures in it. One procedure is around making sure that the kitchen is set for the morning. I have a procedure that I follow for that. Another procedure is making sure that my I'm ready for the next day. That's procedure number 2. Procedure number 3 is me sewing into myself, reading at least 10 pages of a personal development book, reading my Bible, and praying. Those are all procedures that I have locked into a process, and I follow those procedures in a definite order every day. That is the difference. So as you consider your task, your project list, your daily routines, decide when you need a procedure and when you need a process. Don't treat them the same. Combine your procedures together to form a duplicatable process. The reason is it'll reduce the energy you use to execute a project or a task or get through a routine. So I'm excited for what you will accomplish in this going forward using the difference between a procedure and a process. Now, in this next video that'll pop up on the screen, I share 3 steps to use in your productivity process. Come on over, and I will see you there.